Welcome to Move & Care Moving Company channel. My name is Mikhail Gorshkov.
And my name's Devin Fleming.
Today we're gonna talk about moving out checklist.
It's a checklist that will help you organize your move professionally. What's the first thing you should do when you consider planning your move?
And we'll talk about it right now.
The first thing you need to do is plan your budget.
And it will help you to understand how much money you have for your move, and you will decide between moving company or move by yourself. The second thing you need to do is make a list of questions for moving company or truck rental company.
We have a video about it. If you want, it's in the description below.
Just check it out, it's a really good video.
The third thing you should do is discuss this with your friends and family.
And don't forget to tell your landlord about your move. The next really important step will be calling and get the quotes from moving companies or truck rental companies in case you're doing this by yourself.
Do you need a storage unit? It's time to call and get a quote.
And reserve it in advance. The next really important step will be ordering packing materials for your move. You definitely need to do it in advance because you don't want to be rushing around, you know?
You should contact your insurance company 4 weeks prior to your move, just in case they don't cover the area you're moving to.
Yes, because you don't want to lose your health insurance or even car insurance or your pet insurance, you know? The next step will be calling and actually schedule moving company and set up your moving date. If you will move by yourself, don't forget to rent your truck for a certain day and make sure we will have it for you.
Did you know that your move can be tax deductible? Keep an expense log of everything you use during your move and you can use it on your taxes.
Yeah, and you can file it and all set.
It's time to get rid of your old stuff, and Mikhail has 3 ways you can do it.
The 3 best way to do it, it's a yard sale. I think it's the best way. You can collect some money, you can use this money for your move, or you can use this money to donate and help someone. The second way, you can actually just help someone with this stuff. You can donate to donation centers or people who need it. And third way, just to dispose it, you can order a dumpster, put on your driveway and just throw things in it or ask moving company to do it for you. It's actually perfect time to make an appointment with services.
Such as TV, internet, plumbing, and disconnecting any of your appliances.
Because movers cannot do that for you.
Here's a step you won't want to skip: taking time off of work.
And you may need a couple days of work, so make sure you will do it in advance. And another really important thing to do is arrange daycare for your kids and animals.
Moves can be scary and dangerous for small kids and animals.
And we want to be on a safe side with moving care.
It's time to get your parking permit.
Absolutely, because if you don't have your private driveway, you definitely need to park your truck on the street, and for this you need parking permit, which you can get from City Hall.
If you live in an apartment building, it's time to reserve your elevator and your loading dock.
Absolutely, because it will be really hard to move without elevator or loading dock. The next step is to begin packing.
You want to start this in advance. It's time to update your memberships, such as your gym membership, cooking classes, any other hobbies you have.
The next and really important part to do is make full inventory list what you have in your apartment.
Such as furniture, pictures, lamps, and boxes. Dispose hazardous items or plan to move them yourself.
Also, you should empty all of your equipment which has gas in it, because movers not allowed to move things like that. The next and really important stuff to do is update your social security and tax information.
It's time to transfer over your medications and find a new doctor if you need to. After that, you should definitely transfer over your medical records.
Absolutely, it's really important stuff to do. Are you planning to buy new furniture for your place? It's actually perfect time to do it because you have to set up delivery time.
It's time to set up the new layout of your new place.
Absolutely, because you want to make sure you have a plan how to put your furniture, and movers will organize everything for you and set it up the way you like.
It's time to update your bank information. Most banks now let you update online or on their app.
Which is really easy and take a couple of minutes to do it. It's actually perfect time to pack your essentials. Stuff such as toothbrushes, toothpastes, medication, plates, toilet paper, shampoo, and stuff like that. You know, most important things you need in a couple of days.
it might be time to say goodbye to your neighbors. Maybe you guys can have a party or something.
Just dinner together if you're close. And one of the last things to do is update your mailing address.
So this last one is optional. You can buy water and snacks for your movers, or make sure you have water and snacks for yourself if you're moving yourself.
Exactly. And that is it. You're 100% ready for your move.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below if you like this video.
Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate your attention, and we hope your move will be professional and smooth.
And as you know at Move and Care, you'll love the way we move.
Bye!